Welcome to Best English Hub.
How are you feeling today?
I feel good.
How are you feeling today?
I feel good.
Are you nervous about speaking?
A little nervous.
Are you nervous about speaking?
A little nervous.
Do you want practice?
Yes, I do.
Do you want practice?
Yes, I do.
Ready to speak now?
Yes, I'm ready.
Ready to speak now?
Yes, I'm ready.
Can you speak slowly?
Yes, I can.
Can you speak slowly?
Yes, I can.
Is it okay to make mistakes?
Yes, totally okay.
Is it okay to make mistakes?
Yes, totally okay.
Do you understand me?
Yes, clearly.
Do you understand me?
Yes, clearly.
Can you repeat, please?
Sure, I can.
Can you repeat, please?
Sure, I can.
Is my accent okay?
Yes, it's fine.
Is my accent okay?
Yes, it's fine.
Am I speaking clearly?
Yes, very clear.
Am I speaking clearly?
Yes, very clear.
Do you feel confident?
More than before.
Do you feel confident?
More than before.
Are you improving daily?
Yes, every day.
Are you improving daily?
Yes, every day.
Practice helps you?
Yes, a lot.
Practice helps you?
Yes, a lot.
Do you speak daily?
Yes, daily.
Do you speak daily?
Yes, daily.
Is English difficult?
Not now.
Is English difficult?
Not now.
Was English scary?
Yes, before.
Was English scary?
Yes, before.
Is it easier now?
Yes, much easier.
Is it easier now?
Yes, much easier.
Can you answer quickly?
Yes, I can.
Can you answer quickly?
Yes, I can.
Do you think first?
Less now.
Do you think first?
Less now.
Do you hesitate sometimes?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you hesitate sometimes?
Yes, sometimes.
Is that okay?
Yes, completely.
Is that okay?
Yes, completely.
Do mistakes help?
Yes, they help.
Do mistakes help?
Yes, they help.
Do you correct yourself?
Yes, slowly.
Do you correct yourself?
Yes, slowly.
Do you feel shy?
Less now.
Do you feel shy?
Less now.
Do you enjoy speaking?
Yes, more now.
Do you enjoy speaking?
Yes, more now.
Can you speak louder?
Yes, louder.
Can you speak louder?
Yes, louder.
Can you speak clearly?
Yes, clearly.
Can you speak clearly?
Yes, clearly.
Are you relaxed now?
Yes, relaxed.
Are you relaxed now?
Yes, relaxed.
Is your voice steady?
Yes, steady.
Is your voice steady?
Yes, steady.
Do you feel heard?
Yes, I do.
Do you feel heard?
Yes, I do.
Can you start a conversation?
Yes, now.
Can you start a conversation?
Yes, now.
Can you ask questions?
Yes, easily.
Can you ask questions?
Yes, easily.
Can you answer strangers?
Yes, I can.
Can you answer strangers?
Yes, I can.
Do you feel confident outside?
More confident.
Do you feel confident outside?
More confident.
Can you speak at work?
Yes, I can.
Can you speak at work?
Yes, I can.
Can you speak on the phone?
Yes, now.
Can you speak on the phone?
Yes, now.
Was the phone scary?
Yes, before.
Was the phone scary?
Yes, before.
Is the phone easier now?
Yes, easier.
Is the phone easier now?
Yes, easier.
Can you speak in public?
A little.
Can you speak in public?
A little.
Practice helps fear.
Yes, it helps.
Practice helps fear.
Yes, it helps.
Do you breathe slowly?
Yes, it helps.
Do you breathe slowly?
Yes, it helps.
Do you stay calm?
Yes, mostly.
Do you stay calm?
Yes, mostly.
Can you think clearly?
Yes, better.
Can you think clearly?
Yes, better.
Do you freeze sometimes?
Less now.
Do you freeze sometimes?
Less now.
Can you recover quickly?
Yes, quickly.
Can you recover quickly?
Yes, quickly.
Do you smile when speaking?
Yes, naturally.
Do you smile when speaking?
Yes, naturally.
Do you enjoy mistakes?
Not always.
Do you enjoy mistakes?
Not always.
Is that normal?
Yes, normal.
Is that normal?
Yes, normal.
Do you keep trying?
Yes, always.
Do you keep trying?
Yes, always.
Do you believe yourself?
Yes, now.
Do you believe yourself?
Yes, now.
Do others understand?
Yes, mostly.
Do others understand?
Yes, mostly.
Do you repeat aloud?
Yes, daily.
Do you repeat aloud?
Yes, daily.
Does repeating help?
Yes, greatly.
Does repeating help?
Yes, greatly.
Do you practice alone?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you practice alone?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you practice aloud?
Yes, always.
Do you practice aloud?
Yes, always.
Do you practice daily?
Yes, every day.
Do you practice daily?
Yes, every day.
Do you hear progress?
Yes, clearly.
Do you hear progress?
Yes, clearly.
Can you feel progress?
Yes, strongly.
Can you feel progress?
Yes, strongly.
Is confidence growing?
Yes, growing.
Is confidence growing?
Yes, growing.
Are you proud today?
Yes, proud.
Are you proud today?
Yes, proud.
Do you compare less?
Yes, less.
Do you compare less?
Yes, less.
Do you speak freely?
More freely.
Do you speak freely?
More freely.
Can you express ideas?
Yes, better.
Can you express ideas?
Yes, better.
Do you explain clearly?
Yes, clearer.
Do you explain clearly?
Yes, clearer.
Do you pause naturally?
Yes, now.
Do you pause naturally?
Yes, now.
Do you stay positive?
Yes, positive.
Do you stay positive?
Yes, positive.
Do you encourage yourself?
Yes, daily.
Do you encourage yourself?
Yes, daily.
Do you enjoy learning?
Yes, a lot.
Do you enjoy learning?
Yes, a lot.
Is learning fun?
Yes, fun.
Is learning fun?
Yes, fun.
Do you feel ready?
Yes, ready.
Do you feel ready?
Yes, ready.
Can you continue practicing?
Yes, definitely.
Can you continue practicing?
Yes, definitely.
Will you keep speaking?
Yes, always.
Will you keep speaking?
Yes, always.
Do you trust the process?
Yes, I do.
Do you trust the process?
Yes, I do.
Do you feel stronger?
Yes, stronger.
Do you feel stronger?
Yes, stronger.
Are you confident now?
Yes, confident.
Are you confident now?
Yes, confident.
Can you speak today?
Yes, I can.
Can you speak today?
Yes, I can.
Ready for conversation?
Yes, ready.
Ready for conversation?
Yes, ready.
Do you believe in improvement?
Yes, absolutely.
Do you believe in improvement?
Yes, absolutely.
Are you improving confidence?
Yes, clearly.
Are you improving confidence?
Yes, clearly.
Do you speak bravely?
Yes, bravely.
Do you speak bravely?
Yes, bravely.
Can you speak English?
Yes, I can.
Can you speak English?
Yes, I can.
Do you feel proud?
Yes, very proud.
Do you feel proud?
Yes, very proud.